Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Begin by confirming the lift-rated capacity is 2 ton and the vehicle is within that limit. Clear the area and keep all bystanders at a safe distance. Disconnect the 12V battery to prevent accidental activation while you work on the system. Inspect hydraulic lines and electrical connections for leaks or frays before proceeding. Position quality jack stands under manufacturer lift points to support the vehicle securely. Measure at least 3.5 inches clearance under contact pads before attempting any release. Turn the main power off at the control box and confirm no lights remain on. Locate the manual release valve or nut near the hydraulic pump assembly. Fit the correct wrench specified by the manufacturer onto the release fitting to prevent rounding. Open the manual release slowly while monitoring the vehicle descent carefully. Expect the lift to lower fully in roughly 30 seconds under normal load conditions. Stop and recheck supports if descent feels uneven or jerky at any point. After lowering and securing the vehicle, reapply 12V power to the lift system before testing. Operate the lift through 2 complete cycles to confirm smooth ascent and descent without hesitation. Listen carefully for unusual sounds and inspect all fittings for new or persistent leaks. Verify that safety locks engage at each lift height during both cycles to ensure reliable mechanical backup. Tighten any fasteners as required and recheck fluid levels according to the manufacturer manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.